In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remap due dates and reassign tasks in Clickup. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in and have permission to change workspace settings. We'll start by turning on a feature that automatically shifts subtask due dates when you change a parent task's due date. This helps keep your timelines consistent without having to adjust every subtask manually. Head into your workspace settings. From there, open the Apps area where all Click apps live. Click into all Click apps so you can search across everything that's available. In the search bar, type Remap. You'll see an option called Remap Subtask Due Dates. Open it and switch it on. If you manage multiple spaces, confirm the toggle is enabled for the space or project where you want this behavior. Turning this on tells ClickUp to maintain the relative schedule between a parent task and its subtasks whenever you shift the parent's due date. Now let's see it in action. Open the space you're working in and navigate to a project or list. Find a task that has subtasks and expand the task using the drop-down so you can see those subtasks beneath it. This is important because only tasks with existing subtask due dates will be affected by remapping. Click the parent task's due date to edit it. Choose the new date you want. As soon as you confirm the change, ClickUp will prompt you to apply the same shift to the subtasks. You'll see a message asking if you want to move subtask due dates by the same amount. Click Yes. That's it. Every subtask with a due date will slide forward or backward by the exact number of days you moved the parent task, preserving the original spacing between them. A few tips to keep in mind: if a subtask doesn't have a due date, it won't be changed. If you make a mistake, simply change the parent task's due date again. You'll get the same prompt and can realign subtasks as needed. This feature doesn't alter assignees or statuses, only dates, so your ownership and workflow remain intact. If you ever want to stop this behavior, return to your workspace apps, open all Click apps, and turn off Remap subtask due dates. For best results, test this on a sample task first, especially if you're working with a large project. Consistent date fields on subtasks will give you the cleanest remap, and it's a great way to keep timelines accurate when schedules shift.